Going to show you a SmartCam production turning software, and you can see there are various options available, vertical options. There is a help available, that help topics are available, context sensitive help. If you click one of the icon, it will show the related help. Then there are three manuals available: Learning SmartCam, Code Generation Guide, and Customization Guide. Customization guide is for customizing the SmartCam, and code generation is for making the post processor for particular CNC machine. Now I am going to show you how a 3D model can be imported and program can be made from the SmartCam. Go to file option, open. You see that there are various file types are available. I select a IGS file. There is one pin available, IGS file. I open this. It takes some time to load. So this solid model file is displayed on this. Now this solid model needs to be converted into a geometry which is required for the production turning software. So there are certain simple commands available, like from solid you go to the slice option. There are various options available. You select the entire model and there is a group slice option. If you put this group slice, you can see the red line coming on the model. This red line will be used for making the part program for turning. Now the solid model needs to be shifted to the 0 0. So I select all, go to credit, edit, transform, move, select the point. This point can be shifted to 0 0. Now solid model can be masked. So I go to utility, mask, and that layer can be masked. That layer is layer 1. Layer 2 can be masked. So only geometry is available for us. Now we need to make the stock profile. So I go to create, make a geometry, make a profile, specify the Z coordinate 0. Then I go to line, make it 0.5 and diameter say 22. We just go to layer and make a different layer so that it will be available for proper viewing. So I erase this and read all the things. I go to start again, 0.5, 0, then I go to line, 0.5, 22, then I can pick up the Z point from here and say diameter 0, 0, 22, I go. So this is available. Now this part drawing which has come from the solid model needs to be chained. So I select this, select these entities, and I require to do the chaining. Chain this, say group chain. I can also change the direction like this. I can also change the profile start from this to this. Okay. Now the job file is already loaded. So if I load this job file, all the processes related to these jobs are available, which also can be edited from the job information, specify general, machine, material, work setup, like that. Go to the operation planner, there are rough turning, grooving, and rough turning reverse tool. Now I go to wireframe turning. In wireframe turning, I go and select linear. I select a part profile here. This part profile end, stop profile start, stop profile end. I specify depth of cut as 0.4. Keep the allows 0.2, and say go. Whatever portion has been cut, that has been cut by this tool, and you can see the more option. There is a create TPP that will generate the theoretical part profile. So I have to undo the things and say go. You can see the red line which has come, which can be used as a stock profile for the next process. So you can see in the layer 9 there is a profile generated. You can see this. We can modify that and unpack so that individual lines are available for selection. So now it is unpacked, and you can see it has come as a wireframe profile. Now I go to the part profile and specify this is my part. Select the different tool, then select this as my part profile start and this one as end. Stock profile I can give this red one, I say go. You can see here path is generated. This also I can simulate and see. Go to create toolpath, select the toolpath option and start. You can rotate also. And increase the speed of this also. Like this.